I'm Jimmy Warren. This is my bike check. Starting off up here, it's a Brose all made of grips. It's pretty durable. A little wavy pattern design. Got the King Badger bars. We got the Stolen Convict stem. Going down to Odyssey CS2 race fork. That 3/8 axle. We got the Stolen Roulette wheels. Odyssey P-Light tires. We got that Stolen center frame, custom black. Couldn't deal with that white color anymore. We got the Stolen Team cranks, the Odyssey twisted PC pedals. Got that Stolen pivotal seat, the Stolen roulette wheel in the back, purple. Easy Street free coaster hub. That Snafu titanium hub guard. Make sure you don't get that axle all bent up. Get that crank, that good going. Up this, got that Stolen mood ring, 25 tooth, 10 in the rear. Like that fast ratio. All together, this bike got it weighed, was in 24 pounds. Pretty good. And that's my bike check.